Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track and improve your performance using TikTok Analytics. So if you want to grow on TikTok, you need to track your performance using TikTok Analytics. And this tutorial will show you how you can access your analytics, understand the key metrics, and improve your content strategy for better engagement and follower growth. So first, to access analytics, you must have a business or creator account. If you haven't, you can just open your TikTok profile and then tap on the three lines menu at the top and go to the settings and privacy. Tap on account, and in here you can just click on this switch to business account. So as you guys can see here, my this one stated switch to personal account because I already switched my account into business account. And after, if you want to switch to business account, you can just follow the instructions and choose your category. And once activated, TikTok Analytics will start tracking data for your videos. And to access the TikTok analytics, you can just go to your profile again. And then here you can find the creator tools or the TikTok studio here. Okay, so here is the analytics. There will be this post view, net followers, and likes. So for the post views is the total number of views on your videos, and the net followers is how many new followers you gain or lost. And there's also likes, so how much likes you get on the contents. So if profile views are high but the followers are low, then your content is interesting but users are not converting. And you can try to add a clear call to action or CTA in your bio or videos. And in here, if you want to see all, you can just tap on view all in here. And you can see there are also this content overview and viewers. You can just choose which one that you want to search, so you can see how long people watch your videos. And also the most important metric for the algorithm, you can also aim for at least 50% watch time. And you can also see the audience retentions. So if you want to grow, if you want to have high watch time, you need to have more reach and make sure your videos have a strong hook in the first 3 seconds, fast pass to keep attention, and also text overlays and captions for clarity. And in here, there's also this followers tab. So you can see the total followers and also the gender and location if you scroll down. And there's also the most active hours that you can see. And if you want to improve your TikTok performance, you can try to post at peak hours. You can use analytics to find the best time to post. And don't forget to have improve hoops like I told you before. And don't forget to experiment with the video length. You can try short videos, 7 to 15 seconds or longer, 30 plus second videos. And don't forget to use trending sounds and hashtag, but make sure that they fit your content. And you can also encourage engagement, like for example, ask for your viewers to like, comment, and follow. And you can also try to boost engagement and video views by replying to comment with videos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.